Losing weight is a process that requires dedication, patience, and healthy habits. Here is a long, detailed guide to help you understand how to lose weight effectively. Set realistic goals. Start by setting achievable and specific weight loss goals. Instead of aiming to lose a large amount quickly, aim for gradual progress, like losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. Healthy eating habits. Focus on balanced meals that include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, whole grains, and healthy fats like nuts, seeds, avocados. Reduce intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, desserts, and fast foods, which are high in calories and low in nutrients. Control portion sizes to avoid overeating. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help keep your metabolism active. Limit sugary drinks like soda, juice, and energy drinks. Drink plenty of water instead, about 8 glasses a day. Regular physical activity. Incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing help burn calories. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, as recommended by health experts. Include strength training exercises like lifting weights or bodyweight exercises twice a week to build muscle, which burns more calories even at rest. Stay active throughout the day by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, standing up frequently, and avoiding long periods of sitting. Food plays a crucial role in weight loss because it directly affects the number of calories you consume and how your body processes energy. Eating nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains provides essential vitamins and minerals while helping you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Conversely, consuming high-calorie, processed foods, sugary snacks, and sugary drinks can lead to weight gain because they often contain empty calories with little nutritional value. The types of fats you consume also matter. Healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, and avocados can support weight management, while trans fats and excessive saturated fats can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Additionally, portion sizes influence calorie intake. Overeating even healthy foods can hinder weight loss efforts. Overall, making mindful food choices, controlling portion sizes, and focusing on nutritious foods can significantly impact your ability to lose weight and maintain a healthy body. Losing weight is not just about changing what you eat, but also about nurturing your mental health and developing a positive relationship with food. When it comes to reducing belly fat, focusing on a balanced diet rich in whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can support your goals. Incorporating healthy fats like avocados and nuts, along with staying hydrated, helps your body function optimally. However, mental health plays a crucial role in this journey. Stress and emotional eating can sabotage weight loss efforts, so practicing mindfulness, managing stress through meditation or exercise, and cultivating self-compassion are essential. Remember that sustainable weight loss is a gradual process, and being kind to yourself during setbacks is important. Avoid fad diets or extreme restrictions, as they can negatively impact your mental health. Instead, aim for a holistic approach that emphasizes nourishing your body and mind, fostering positive habits, and maintaining patience. By prioritizing both mental well-being and nutritious food choices, you can effectively reduce belly fat and improve your overall health in a balanced and sustainable way.
Trapping cholesterol and helping your body remove it.
My name is Orange. I travel through your bloodstream, breaking down bad cholesterol with antioxidants.
My name is Pomegranate. I protect your arteries by stopping cholesterol from sticking to the walls.
My name is Strawberry. I reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol inside your blood. Hi, I'm Whitey, a white blood cell. My job is to protect your body by fighting germs and viruses.
I'm your immune defender, and I keep you safe from harmful germs. Hello, I'm an immune cell, and my work is to find and destroy viruses to keep you healthy.
Your body will burn fat 500% more effectively in 7 days. Spinach, pineapple, ginger, that's it.
From 2 to 4 a.m., your body burns fat. I'll speed up this process by 67%.
Your blood is as thick as honey. I'll make it 290% less dense in 1 week. Beetroot, pomegranate, apple. Blood pressure will drop, skin will glow, and energy.
You're carrying 7 to 9 pounds of stagnant water right now. Celery, parsley, cucumber. I'll flush your lymphatic system in 48 hours. Don't forget to like.